So, what we're doing is question 7 for the quiz access for chapter 8. We're talking about different materials, or disposing of assets. So basically what we want to do is we want to have whatever totals end up coming back to that initial cost. Okay? And I haven't done all of this, but we're going to work one together, I guess. I don't know. So with this one, we see we didn't sell it, we didn't do anything. So that's just purely a loss on disposal. We do have an option for, where's that? QRS. Yeah, so we have loss on sale and we have loss on disposal. And there's also loss on fire in case of like damage. But since we're not selling it, it's going to be a loss on disposal. So you take that original, you subtract the depreciation, because those are the two concrete things. And then the money left, this is quote unquote still value remaining, but it's not usable, so it is lost. It wasn't depreciated, so it's just lost. On this one, we sold it, so then from that lost money, we can subtract out the cash, and then it counts as a loss on sale, right? So then if you add all of these, then you'll get back to that original money. With this one, the sale, okay, so that's back to the value. So then we're not going to have a loss, but we will have accumulated machine. We'll have sale. No, we gain cash. And it doesn't count as a proper sale because it's not a good. We're changing an asset. To the best of my knowledge. We'll check that in a moment. And then we'll say machine. All the way at the bottom. Because machines are an asset, when you're getting rid of them, it counts as a credit, right? So 12,600, 12,600, and we're gaining 35,200 cash, and it depreciated 91,700. Okay. So now we're selling for cash. Okay, so we're going to do basic depreciation. We're going to do cash. We're going to do gained on sale of machine because we have that extra money in there now. And then we have the machine itself. Basically, whenever you're not sure how to write something, and you just want to look before going to the textbook, which always go to the textbook, it's super helpful, then you can just look through the possible accounts, and it's going to be one that stands out, and it's going to be killer, and it's going to be maybe the right one. Put it so that you know what you're looking at, and then you check the textbook, and then, yeah. Okay, so we've got 126,900, something 17 or so. 91,700. Okay, we're getting 4,900. We are gaining 4,900 minus 35,200. It's gonna be 5,700. I'm gonna double check that just to make sure, but I think that might be right. We're going to check that. Yeah, so this one's wrong. We're going to try it in the other category because I think to total it, it's going to need to go as a credit, and we'll just see. Boom. And then we're going to submit just to see if it works. If we get full points on that, then we'll know that we're good. Don't do this if you're actually trying to, but yeah, so that's all the things that we need for this particular question. And all of these will total up to the machine plus the depreciation and loss, machine plus depreciation, loss and sale, depreciation and cash from the sale, and then this is depreciation, the cash, and then you have to put in that like contra gain. I think because it's I think it counts as a revenue or something because it's a positive. I'm not certain about that, but I believe that to be the case. But yeah, so that is question 7 on week 8, or on the quiz access 8.